the flip-flop node. What the flip-flop node does is that when its flip port is triggered, it alternates between triggering output A and output B. So in this case, when I press the button, it will first fire the left plasma cannon and then fire the right, then back to left, then right. Just like that. Here's an example of where the flip-flop node could be useful. Let's say you wanted a flashlight that would flip up and turn on when you hit the button, and then when you hit the button again, it will flip down and turn off. You could do it just like this. When you press the button, flip between the outputs. Now, when output A is triggered, I want the target rotation to go to 0, and I want the light to turn on. When output B is triggered, I want target rotation to go to -90, and the light to turn off. Just like that. Here's an example of where I used a flip-flop in one of my devices. For the FPV goggles that go with my Sphere drone, I want the goggles to flip up when you hit left mouse button and flip down. Just like this. And I also want that label on the bottom left to change. To do this, I used a flip-flop. From left mouse button to flip, the first output sends -30 to the target rotation on the single axis joint. That's what flips it up. And it also sends put on goggles to the label here, left mouse label. Second output sends 90 to the joint and sends take off goggles to the label.